In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email to send later using Microsoft Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to plan messages in advance or ensure your email reaches its recipient at an optimal time. By the end of this video, you'll be able to handle your outgoing communication more effectively. First things first, we need to get into Outlook. So let's start by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to Microsoft's website to log into your Outlook account. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to set one up now. Once you've arrived at the Outlook login page, go ahead and click on the Sign In button, enter your email and password, and sign in to access your mailbox. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Mail section of Outlook. Look for the envelope icon or the section labelled Mail in the menu. Click on that and you should be taken to your main inbox. Here you can view all the emails you've received and also get started with composing a new one. Now let's compose a new email. Look for the New Mail button, which is often displayed prominently in the mailbox interface. Click on this button and you'll reveal a new draft email window. Here you can start typing your email as usual. Feel free to add your recipient's email address, craft your subject line, and write the main body of your message. Remember, even though we're scheduling this email to send later, you should still ensure it's polished and ready to go before moving on to the next step. Once you're satisfied with your email, let's move on to scheduling it. In the email draft window, you'll notice an arrow pointing downwards, typically near the send button. It might be easy to overlook, but this small icon is critical to scheduling your message. Click on the arrow and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you will select Schedule Send. Clicking on Schedule Send doesn't automatically send your email. Instead, it brings up additional options to set when you want your email to be sent. You'll want to select Custom Time from these options. This choice allows you to set the exact date and time for your email to be sent. Carefully select your desired date and time, keeping in mind the time zone differences, if any, for your recipient. Once you've set your custom time, double check everything to make sure it's how you want it. After reviewing everything, hit the Schedule Send button to confirm. Your email is now ready to be sent at the specified time. Congratulations, you've just scheduled an email in Outlook. This tool is a great way to ensure your messages arrive precisely when needed, helping you stay organized and professional. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your digital tools.